Before adjusting the height, always take your baby out first. Find the handle on one side of the base. Pull the lever out, then lift or lower the frame to where you want it. There are 8 height settings to choose from. Keep a foot on the base to hold it steady while you adjust. Now do the same on the other side. Match the numbers on both sides before you use it. To switch to bedside sleeper mode, find the access panel on the long side of the bassinet. Unzip both sides of the panel all the way down. Slide the latch on one side to release the bar, then pull it up and out. Do the same on the other side. The panel drops down and your bassinet is open for easy access. To switch back to bassinet mode, line the bar up with the latches on both sides and press down until you hear a click. Then zip the panel back up on both sides.